Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The numbers we're making are so vicious. Mathematicious, expeditious can be kinda scary. I hope my answers are gradical or imaginary. I convert percents to fractions. It brings me some satisfaction, like scientific notation and order of operations. Mathematicious,
Repetitious,
gets me expeditious. My answers make it vicious. My erasers often stitches. I make wishes. I get the answer right, and I'll be staying up all night just to check what I write. Mathematicious,
Pythagorean theory
mathematicious,
finds out hypotenuse for me,
mathematicious.
or I'll use trigonometry.
I'm mathematicious. Decimal.
locus of the points, locus of the points, locus of the points. Points.
I'm up about figuring out greatest common factors, and when I make a pie chart, I'm in need of a protractor. The angle of elevation, thanks to my calculations, turns out to be 43, a prime number. I'm mathematicious.
Repetitious,
It makes me so ambitious. My answers are judicious. Calculator never glitches. It's my mission. I get the answer right, and I'll be staying up all night just to check what I write. Mathematicious,
What's the probability
mathematicious,
of me not naming my x's
mathematicious,
when grabbing inequalities?
mathematicians. Hold up. Check your work. Computing areas, quadratic formula, graphing parabolas. I think they're all so cool. It's my sole commitment that I ace the regions. Sine, cosine, and tangents are my favorite tools. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. Is a whole, rational, factor, substitute, solve for x is a whole, rational, factor, hit the pi key. 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 2, 7, 5, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2. 6, 3, 3, 8, 2, 2, 7, 9, 5, 0, 2, 8, 4, 1, 9, 7, 1, 6, 9, 2, 9, 3, 7, 5, 0, 5, 2, 0, 9, 7, 4, 9, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 0, 7, 8, 1, 6, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8, 6, 0, 8, 9, 8, 6, 2, 8, 0, 3, 4, 8. Mathematicious.
repetitious,
Gets me expeditious. My answers make it vicious. My erasers often stitches. I make wishes. I get the answer right, and I'll be staying up all night just to check what I write.
Right. 4, 3, 2, 1.
It makes me so ambitious. My answers are judicious. Calculator never glitches. It's my mission. I get the answer right, and I'll be staying up all night just to check
4, 3,
what I
2,
write.
1.
Mathematicians.
Bye.
Mathematicians. Mathematicians. I'm mathematicians.
Decimal.
It's mathematicians. 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 I'm mathematicians. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor,
4, 3, 2, 1.
I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add, subtract, round off, and simplify. I divide, multiply, add,
4, 3, 2, 1.
is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor out, substitute, solve for x. Is it whole, rational, factor.